Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how to use Box Referral Program. In order to use the Box Referral Program, you could typically share a unique link or a code with friends to earn credit towards future orders. So what here you need is open the Box app, log into your account. Then you just want to make sure to tap the menu from the top left hand side corner of the screen. Here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for your section where it says refer a friend, or you could also go ahead and find it in the account settings as well. Here you just want to make sure to go ahead and select that out. You could look for refer a friend, invite friend, or word. Just tap open or often found in account dashboard or widget at the bottom of the screen. You will then see a URL or a referral code. Copy this to your clipboard, send the link by email, text message, or social media platform like Facebook and Messenger, and this way you could use a unique link and you will be able to get certain amount or discount on certain purchase when the other person actually creates an account using the link that you've sent. So this way you are supposed to use Box Referral Program. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.